Starting my video here. We're out to the city.
Clear as a bell?
Looks pretty good. There's some roots in it. Some kind of bad root spots, but not too bad. So here's the city. We're on a 6-inch clay.
Wonder if I should I bring the buyers down here?
Oh, if they're here, yeah, they can ask any questions you want.
Okay.
So this is the city that we're looking at right there. That's the city.
And that's metal, or what is this?
This is a clay pipe, a 6-inch clay pipe.
The city's is clay?
Yep, and so is yours.
Okay.
So how much a foot to line it?
So Ben, here's the question. So if you said
yeah, they're just clay pipes. They're 3-foot sections.
That's a root?
That's roots, yep.
When do you think the last time this was cleaned out? Can you tell?
It's so hard to say. It's probably been, like, I would say the beginning of last summer if I had to guess. So there's more roots. They're going to be kind of hard to see because that's right where it goes down like that. So. More roots. I'm supposed to be writing all these down. I'm fired.
So do you have to grind out the roots before you put the liner in there?
Mm-hmm. Yep, so we just clean it up really good and then we line it.
So that liner's tough enough that the roots don't penetrate.
Right.
Compromise that liner?
Not at all. It's
Really?
100% done. You'll never have to deal with it again, you know. Well, in 50, 60 years. It's rated for 50 years, you know, just like everything else is kind of in the industry, you know, but I'd imagine it's going to last. I got a sample of it, I think, in my truck, too, or at least I should.
So it doesn't have seams, right? Like these.
Correct. So, like,
pipes have
these aren't, like, broken. It's not like it's a crack in the pipe. It just seams, you know what I mean?
Seams,
so.
right. It's still an intrusion, but it's in the
Right.
seams, not a broken pipe.
Right. So, like, see that one?
A big one.
Yeah, that one's.
It's like a tree in there.
Yeah, so that one's really bad.
That's.
No, there's some stuff stuck on top of my lens from going through there, but that's like borderline gonna clog the pipe. You need to clean that as soon as possible. Yep.
1940.
Okay.
Yeah, we'd like
What's
that?
that?
Yeah, see this one's really bad.
Make sure you note that that's a horrible one.
Yep. Yep.
Well, that's what I thought because of the the trees out front.
Yep.
Those big oak trees. Yeah. Yeah.
Huge.
I'm just trying to get this lens a little cleaned up better. There we go.
Did you kind of break up that big clog a little?
I mean, we got through it, so I mean, it's just kind of dangling down in there, but you know, it definitely needs to be cleaned. I think that was where we switched to. That's also where it goes from 4 inches to 6 inches too. So now we're in a 4-inch transite line, which is an asbestos-based pipe, and so that's why it looks a lot better. It holds up a lot better. It's 10-foot sections, so there's less seams, things like that. So it just is a lot more root resistant.
So that's not a problem, though, being asbestos-based, that's not a problem to line or
Nope.
remove or anything?
Nope.
Okay.
We don't remove it, we just line right through it, so it stays right where it is. So there are some light roots in this thing too that we'll find here. You can see like there's a seam for that. You can see how they're just like they're male to male, and then they got like a boot over them. Versus the clay are male to female.
Right.
And since they're shorter sections, they're just kind of they shift a little more, you know. Now we're coming into a little section of cast, and that thing right there at the top is an outside clean out at 53 feet.
Okay.
54 feet. So somewhere out there, there should be a thing sticking up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's some roots in that.
Okay.
Some more there. So that's kind of got standing water in it, so it's just a little bit of a low spot for some reason. Where the two pipes came together, it just kind of goes like that, just a little bit.
And at what footage is that?
41.
So that's between the clean out and the house.
Yep. There's some more roots, just little light ones.
And, you know, we can correct it, it's just, it's not your, you know, it's a little more involved.
I understand.
Yeah.
Well, that should be capped.
Yeah.
Very light ones there.
And you know, there's no problem. He knows how to exhaust it.
Oh, the radon guy?
Yeah, it's a little more
I
involved
thought
because
it
it's
would be more-
exposed.
Right,
There's some exposed soil.
right,
Dug into the dirt over there, it should be capped.
right.
Yeah.
I knew it would be more complicated.
Yeah.
Did they already test the radon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it high?
13
Really?
plus.
What's that?
There's just stuff on my lens. I'm gonna pull this out really quick and we'll clean it off and then we'll look again. Radon's such a weird thing. Like I live like a mile and a half away and ours is like 1.
You might not have exposed soil.
So what, you just cover it with a little concrete?
Put some poly or foam board on it.
And would they do that?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The plywood on the other side here, where they took the window out, soil's right up against the plywood.
Oh, sure, rotting it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what Kevin said. From the outside, just porch cantilevers